If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer in EAFC 25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance enhancements affecting multiplayer gameplay. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve minor glitches that may be causing multiplayer issues. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test to check your internet connection stability. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection for better performance. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If issues persist, try adjusting your network settings. This may include enabling UPnP on your router, port forwarding for EA servers, or switching to different DNS server for improved connectivity. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.